Classic comfort. Casseroles are delicious. Casseroles are easy to make. They are perfect for any night. This recipe is a classic. This recipe will please everyone. It is simple and flavorful. You can add your own touches. Let's get cooking. Gather your ingredients. You need simple ingredients that are easy to find and will make your cooking experience enjoyable and stress-free. Let's start with the basics. First, you'll need 1 pound of ground beef. Make sure it's fresh and of good quality. Next, chop 1 medium-sized onion. Onions add a wonderful depth of flavor to any dish. Then, take 1 green bell pepper and chop it finely. Bell peppers bring a nice crunch and a hint of sweetness to the casserole. You'll also need 1 can of condensed cream of mushroom soup. This will add a creamy texture and rich flavor to your dish. Measure out ½ cup of milk. Milk helps to blend all the ingredients together smoothly. Don't forget the cheese. 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese will give your casserole a deliciously cheesy finish. Finally, you'll need 2 cups of cooked egg noodles. These noodles will form the base of your casserole and soak up all the wonderful flavors. Once you have all these ingredients, you're ready to start cooking. Mix them together in a casserole dish. For an extra kick, sprinkle some garlic powder over the top. Garlic powder adds a lovely aroma and enhances the overall taste. Enjoy your cooking! Simple steps for casserole success. Making a delicious casserole doesn't have to be complicated. Follow these easy steps to create a mouth-watering dish that will impress your family and friends. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. This ensures that your casserole will cook evenly and thoroughly. Next, take a large skillet and brown 1 pound of ground beef over medium heat. Make sure to break it up into small pieces as it cooks. Once the beef is browned, drain any excess fat to keep your casserole from being too greasy. Add 1 diced onion and 1 diced bell pepper to the skillet. Cook these vegetables until they are tender and fragrant, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. This step adds a wonderful depth of flavor to your casserole. Stir in 1 can of condensed cream of mushroom soup, ½ cup of milk, and 1 cup of shredded cheese. Mix everything together until the cheese is melted and the ingredients are well combined. This creamy mixture will be the base of your casserole. Pour the mixture into a greased 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Spread it out evenly to ensure that it cooks uniformly. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect bubbly top layer. Bake the casserole in your preheated oven for 20 minutes or until it is bubbly and heated through. The top should be golden brown and the edges should be slightly crispy. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade casserole. Flavor pairings and final touches. This is where the wonder happens, transforming a simple dish into a memorable meal. Let the casserole cool slightly before serving. This brief resting period allows the flavors to meld together beautifully, enhancing the overall taste. As the cheese melts and browns, it creates a deliciously rich and savory topping that complements the hearty ground beef. Serve this casserole with a side salad. The crisp, fresh greens provide a refreshing contrast to the warm, comforting casserole. Garlic bread is also delicious. The crunchy, buttery bread pairs perfectly with the savory casserole, adding an extra layer of flavor. This recipe is easy to make your own. Add different vegetables to suit your taste. Mushrooms or corn are good. You can also try bell peppers, zucchini, or even spinach. Enjoy your personalized creation.